albums. I'm releasing 15 by January. Ego, just one song. One song go make all my 14 albums useless. God will judge you. See classic music, see lyrics. You don't understand me? There's a way, some people they don't even know when they stand up. Now when they show them video later, they'll say, now you stay front, so you don't know. You don't understand the lyrics? The movement. Oh God. Ego are one of the reasons why a lot of us have not migrated finally. Mona Clafora. I'm telling you, some valuable things are still in Nigeria. Abi? Not be everything done useless. We know. I just got back from London. But I know it's an achievement now. When I said I just got back from London, I expected an applause. I just got back from London. Mona clap for me. Not be before where you go London, no. Where you go come back. To go London, not be Osaka London. I go the real London. The money plenty, 1.something million. I no gree pay. I buy the ticket where I go do layover for Dubai 7 hours. It's not easy. Everywhere red. I said I went to London and I came back and I don't know the meaning. Do you know what it means to go to London these times of hardship and come back? You don't see anybody where go, come back. I went to London and I came back. It is an achievement. Because the moment you leave this country and you get outside, under 2 hours, you will begin see things where. Now you by yourself will just say, man, how are they coping in that country? You go be as everything will just clear. You can't see waiting foreigners they see us as. Now London I go, the time saying summer. Now lie yo. If you dey plan go London next summer, now lie yo, don't be summer. They are cold now, we're freezer. Somebody told me come to Manchester. It is summertime. When I reach the train station, they come pick me. Now summer, winter they under the summer. The cold won't kill me. Everything where they London, where they UK, it they work. Structure. So the only thing when they work now their weather. Everything they work. Even their quarrel, they work. You will just see people, you don't see problem for their face. Everybody face fine. Look Lagos, even who get money, you know, because problem they face. The way where everybody they look everybody now suspect. Everybody they suspect everybody. But for London, you don't know who get problem because everybody, everything they okay. Everything is working. I'm telling you. Ordinary street light. If you want cross road for London, you go press button. You go wait. For Lagos, which button you want press? You go control traffic to wait for you. You go press button, you go wait. I was at Oxford Circus and I saw a Nigerian senator, names withheld. He was standing to cross and I pressed the button. I saw him. Senator, sir. Good afternoon. Yeah, me. He was looking like, okay, who is this one? Kofi, comedian. Kofi from, one of these Alibaba boys. How are you? Oh, so you come here too? I say, once in a while when God allows us, so we no thief. We no fit come every weekend. You're funny. He did not understand it. He didn't get it. And the people we put there. So I pressed button. A few seconds later, across us, the button shows green. Go. And I turn to Senator. Sir, we can now cross. Kofi. Kofi. You can cross anyhow in London. I say, why, sir? The light already says we should cross. Kofi. See, camera. Everything. Witness, camera. There are camera in everything. You can cross like that. Okay, sir. Sorry, me I get where they go. So when will you leave this place? I want to never take light too. He's still there. Then the most annoying one is their security measures. Do you know when we hear siren here, there is a reaction to siren different from Oyibo people. When Oyibo hear siren, see them. As they do like this now, if one siren do mistake, just pass this back. These people they go back. Because they don't need their system. Say once you hear siren, an emergency, clear road. You dare London, you go hear, wow, even the police or an ambulance or fire engine, or you just say everybody will just clear. They will leave middle space. Come Lagos now. Wow. We go first check which siren they come. If na mopo where they clear road for politicians, we go come off for road because Koboko they involved. But when we are wow, we see a fire engine, we'll block road. Should be our own area born last week. They all said we'll burn. No jokes. My area for Shomolu that year, firefighters came on time. First time in the history of this country. You know, say fire service, no, they come on time. Fire go burn, finish before they come. When they come, they no bring water. This one, they come on time, they bring full tank. Instead, we begin keep fire. You know, Yoruba people, everything is celebration. As we just see a full tank, Yoruba people begin to party. Ah, one go me, wow, one go me, wow. 5 minutes later, oh yeah, can we quench the fire? They forgot the hose. The worst one is ambulance. When you hear, wow, 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 I did this London. Same London, no. Or you won't get feeling for animal. Pass the way where we get animal feeling here. Wow, wow, wow. When we say look outside window, I think a human being that they rush to hospital. Now, Kato, the owner, they do, oh, Tom, don't give up on me. Oh, okay. Do you need a second Tom? Please. If animal can get, the only right where animal get for Lagos now to enter pot of soup. For here, you go hear siren, ambulance. We didn't talk Milan Bridge that day now. One ambulance, they blow. Nobody teach them. Ambulance, they blow. Wow, 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 wow. He enters, nobody answer. 1 hour later, wow, 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 wow. They not teach the guy where they the ambulance. Now he come down with the crutches. Oh, Kada! Oh, Kada! I did lucky. Because I don't travel, I don't see as they be. As I hear wow, 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 I see say an ambulance. Children of God, I did the best thing a man should do in an emergency. I do what? I clear. Error number 1. You know, say for Lagos, if you not dey traffic, they struggle road. Anybody will clear, that space belong to who? Danfo, Okeke, Marua. As I clear, one Danfo guy just plug the space. Now I look and say, Oga, you know, see say ambulance, they come. He say, ambulance, they come. Where ambulance, they go? Oga, where ambulance, they go? Who don't die, don't die. Where their body, they already go. But you know, say the thing makes sense to me. Me say, come begin think like idiots. Say, not true. Their body don't die. But I change them for the guy. I say, come, guy, come. Suppose it's an emergency. They won't go carry somebody come from house, go emergency. Say, okay, forget that thing. Emergency, bow. You know, say this our downfall work now, rotation. If me I don't deliver, I me go day emergency. I can't look the guy, I beg and say, oh my yeah, allow this guy go. He look me. Kofi. It's because I like you. I like the way they read news for Shannon's television. You say, waiting. You know, say all these Agbero people, they don't know difference. Once they see you, you be everybody. They don't look me before. Thank you, baby face. I agree, not the same height. But when you look me, say basket mouth. I go come begin think. The one when shock me, somebody look me. Oh, mama, number 1. I look my face again. I'm not ugly like that, sir. The one when shock me, as I tiny like this, oh, make somebody look me, say, Alibaba! Now India leader call Olu Shini Bobo Ele Alibaba. Danyomo. You know, resemble somebody. Danyomo. Ribo leg and you bashake Jejo Kosharena. Now I shall beg the guy, say, I beg. Allow ambulance go. Now I know say all of us don't craze. We just wear clothes cover them. All of us, as Nadia is, everybody know when. When he reach where he reach, now everybody will come out in clothes. You know, say that ambulance come out. I reach the venue where they go. 5 minutes later, the same ambulance there, they open the back. They bring down cooler of rice, cooler of drinks. And then I say we know well. This country. Now, Oma in her feelings, more than clap for this auntie. She don't try. This lady don't try. And I don't understand me. Not be this generation where boys they sing, you know, they catch Zlatan and Naira Marley. They say, okay, who gets what? The reason why they free Zlatan now because big boy, now brain boy. When they ask Naira Marley, say, open your, what's your password? You just give them Malian. They open a laptop open, they lock up. Now they look this Zlatan boy. This boy now brain. Zlatan, what's your password? Kapachu Mari Chupaku. Police say, you say waiting. Kapachu Mari Chupaku. Okay, help us type it. Even me, I don't know. Malole. The lyrics, when they sing now, that be my problem. The moment me, then they write lyrics. You don't understand? When I was a kid, Limpopo was a river. There are rivers in Africa.
Sorry.
Nine, Niger, Senegal, Congo, Orange, Limpopo, Zambezi. Casey no right Limpopo. He just goes studio. Baby, please give me tonight. Oh, tonight I'm going crazy tonight. Oh, tonight let me be your maga. Let me be your maga. Now the producer Oga maga go too much. Find something, join them. Casey no bring lyrics. He just see map of Africa for inside studio. Oh, River Benue. River, oh, Zambezi. Okay, Limpopo, okay. Let me be your maga. Oh yeah, Limpopo. Baby, yeah, Limpopo. All of us they dance. The next person go down studio. Now he said we just see the map. Oh, now here Casey see Limpopo. Which river remain? Oh, Zambezi. Everybody Zambezi. Now he make techno. That small tiny boy, open mouth. They say I hear say you like cassava. I get big cassava. Who? Techno no pass this microphone. You know, say that thing vex. You know, there's nothing women hate more than a man bragging over what he doesn't have. You know, say that song, he they bang for Lagos. Abuja people, they wait am. Techno can't go Abuja. They don't follow and drag anything. I like say you get cassava, I like big cassava. They don't talk. They just allow him enter swimming pool, go swim. As they swim, they come out. Now they carry camera phone. They give film. You know, say boxers go down dumb body. Now they tell us, say, hey, cassava, this your carrot, Insta blog. But quick, now he enter studio by himself. Forget about the big things, so make we talk about the small things, so. Aye, they made you. Oma me offend me, I go talk. I don't say any day where I get chance, I go talk. I go drop mic now, but I must talk. They won't cut me, I know okay, I go talk. Oma me offend me. Why would they watch Rihanna and Beyonce? And I know say it go beyond the music. When you they watch Beyonce, not be the music, you they imagine what you feel do with that body, especially Rihanna. You know, so that girl wicked. That girl is evil. She even they talk her for her song. I know you want me, you want to lick it, wild thoughts. She they talk her. When you they watch Rihanna, not be music you they watch, now sex you they watch. Oma Omi is stingy. Very, very stingy. All of them, Oma Omi, Asha, they will just pack body, cover everything. We don't see anything. You will come stage. If you ask me, I don't ask you anything. Show me. That her friend too. That was a good come. I wish I never had a heart. You don't have a heart. You are stingy. Watch it. Now where them see are they wait.